Good morning, everyone. In this video, I'll be doing an impression of Lawrence, not Dr. Nefarious' robotic butler, from the Ratchet Clank video game series. Hope you enjoy the video, and here we go. Even drooling imbeciles can achieve success in certain fields, Mad science, for example. Oh dear, that was your audition for Galactic Idol, wasn't it? Oh, my mistake, sir. Dreadfully sorry. By all means, sir, carry on. You put the wit in twit, sir. I'm afraid we're out of range, sir. Perhaps if you bother to specify a destination. Oh, I'm sure something will come along in, say, 5 or 10,000 years. I don't suppose you can play drums. Well, we were, sir. How was I supposed to know it would suddenly explode? Okay, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Have a good day, everyone, and I'll see y'all soon.